Personally?
Meron.
Anong sabi
May instance na kasi one time, lunch break namin yun. Nag-surprise visit siya sa lunch area namin. And then nag-table to table siya. And then nung nandun na siya sa table namin, sabi niya sa akin, "Oh, Miss Philippines, the very famous one in social media." Sabi niya sa akin ganun. Sabi ko, "No, it's not me. It's my country who loves the Miss Universe pageant so much." Sabi niya, "No, I think you're very nice. That's why they love you." Sabi niya sa akin ganun. Tapos sabi niya sa mga girls, "Do you think she should win?" Sabi niya ganun sa kanila. Tapos sabi ng girls, "Yes." Sabi nilang ganun. So yun yung isang encounter ko with him. And sobrang nakakatawa kasi yun yung naaalala niya sa akin. Sabi niya, "I really think you're a nice person. That's why they love you." Sabi niya. So ayun, yun yung isang close-up encounter ko with him.
May favorite ba talaga siya? He's playing favorite?
Well, I don't know kasi we're divided into groups and every day iba-iba yung activities namin. And I wouldn't know, hindi ko naman siya laging nakikita. And I can't just say na I guess he has a favorite kasi it's gonna be unfair.
How often does he visit the pre-pageant activities?
Sometimes he would be there sa audience lang so hindi namin siya talaga nakikitang, nakakausap, nakakasalamuha. Kasi manonood lang siya ng mga appearances namin in public. And sabi ng Miss Universe, sobrang minsan lang to na laging nandyan siya kasi most of the time, at the end of the competition na siya nagpapakita. And we're very glad na he's been very supportive. Kasi nga siguro, kaka-open lang din ng Trump National. Now, which is one of his new project na talagang binuhusan niya ng maraming pera. So, it's a very nice project.
How is Paula Shugart?
She's amazing. I can't even imagine how she do everything. Minsan, pag nagre-rehearsal kami, she's on her phone, biglang isuot yung headset, nag-monitor ng tas nasa laptop. At the end of the day, she's wearing a gown, all glitz and glam. So, grabe, she's an empowered woman talaga. Sabi ko, I can't imagine how she handles all of this, but she's an amazing woman and she always do a great job with Miss Universe.
You mentioned earlier that you had like 70 new friends among the 88 candidates. But who do you consider as your closest?
Siguro si Kenya. Siya talaga kasi pag maglalabasan yung mga candidates, tatakbo na sa akin yun, Philippines! Ganyan na sa akin kasi sabi nila I miss charming daw. Super, I always smile kahit pagod na lahat, talagang ako, energy! Ganyan ko pa sila para, alam mo yun, dapat hindi ma-negative kasi mahirap pag nane-negative ka sa competition. So talagang pinapasaya ko sila. Para nakakatulong din sa akin na yung environment ko positive.
During the pageant duration ba, were you able to check the internet or social media?
Hindi. As in talagang, I refuse to. Kasi good or bad, alam mo yun, gusto ko present ako sa competition. I really wanted to be there and to be a part of it. Gusto kong ipakita sa kanila na I'm giving all my time to the competition, to get to know the girls, to share what I know, to share my country. Kasi talagang when you're there and you've been hearing a lot of languages, talagang ma-overwhelm ka and you wanted to know more about them. Pag nag-spend pa ako ng an hour or two on social media, sayang And pag uwi ko ng kwarto ko, I'm so tired already. I just wanted to rest.
So would you say na malaking tulong yon na nag-shot, parang na binlock mo yung social media?
Kasi sobrang nakapag-connect ako with the other girls. Pag halimbawa may mga spare time kami, nakakapag-usap kami na, so how's your country? What's happening in your country? Ako, sinishare ko. Lahat sila very interested. Bakit daw, why Filipinos love pageants so much? Sabi ko, we love beauty. Sabi ko sa kanila, doesn't matter if it's a Filipino pageant, international pageant, we love it. Sabi ko, ganun kami ka fanatic with beauty. And I think it's something positive kasi talaga it brightens your day. Despite na, sabi ko sa kanila, we've been facing a lot of struggles in our country but we managed to smile. Sabi ni Miss Norway, oh, you guys are so sweet. Sabi niya ganun kasi nakakatawa daw tayo.
How was yung reaction mo since na parang sinabi mo na somehow blocked yung social media? Nung pag-open mo nung social media, ano yung reaction? Initial response?
Feeling ko nanalo ako. Oh my gosh. Kasi sobrang positive ng feedback ng mga tao and laging sinasabi nila na we're proud of you And doon ko naramdaman na nakita pala nila yung effort and yung sacrifices ko to just show the best of me, na to show the best of my country. And I think na-appreciate naman yun ng buong mundo. Dahil hindi lang naman Filipino yung nagsasabi na you should have been there in the top 5. Lahat, yung ibang directors, all the other girls, and the people there were really telling me na you're such a special person, you should be there.
Pero paano mo hinandle yung na parang hindi naman kasi lahat syempre positive, merong iba na alam naman natin yung sa gown. Parang
Yeah.
how did you handle it? Kasi sobrang positive pa rin ang response mo all throughout.
Ako kasi nagde-dwell na lang ako sa good memories. And I know that if I'm gonna dwell on the things that na hindi ko gusto at hindi nangyari, it's not even gonna help me. You know, the only way is forward, to move forward and to learn from it, and just to always remember the good things that happened in the past.
MJ, sorry, tatanong ko lang. Anong take mo dun sa national costume debacle na nangyari during the pageant? Anong opinion mo pa kanya? Regarding dun sa issue about the national costume you wore during the pageant.
What's the issue about
yung mga reaction ng mga people.
That Columbia is the one who designed your...
As far as I know, national costume is not a part of the judging. Kasi it's just a special event, a special activity where the nations can showcase the best of their country. And I don't think it affected the scores.
Since we're at it na, kasi may lumabas na may statement ka daw na if you were given the chance, ikaw
Ako
ang
nag-state
mamimili.
noon? Kailan? Saan?
Sa social media.
Saan? Out nga ako sa social media.
Ikaw yung mamimili sana.
Well, ang akin lang dyan, I love all the Filipino designer Carrie Santiago Leal mo dahil lahat sila, I really believe that we have the best talents and skills here in our country. But then again, I applied for this competition. I applied for the job, and they got me for this job, and they have a boss. And we should always remember that the competition is a franchise owned. So whoever is the owner, in whatever way they wanted to run the business, it's their call. And I'm just here to follow whatever
And
is
conform.
given to me. Yes.
Yeah.
So kahit anong ibigay nila sa akin, I'm gonna rock it. I'm confidently beautiful, and I know whatever I wear,
I like
I'm gonna look
Amen.
beautiful in that stage. Yun lang lagi yung iniisip
That
ko.
red gown on Instagram,
Yeah,
dala mo siya sa Miami.
I'm sorry?
That red gown na
Yung
pinost mo sa
post.
Instagram.
No.
Hindi mo siya dala.
No, hindi.
Yung shoot na yun dito sa Philippines.
It's with Miss... Anong red gown?
Yung yan.
I'm sorry.
Leo Almoday.
Yung red gown.
Yes.
The one that I posted, that
Yes.
was, I did that even before I joined pa Miss Universe. Because we're
Yun kasi
supporting...
yung lumalabas.
No. I just... Dati kasi, ang pinafocus kong i-post yung mga activities ko as a
Okay.
binibini. Ngayon tapos na, I'm posting the pictures that I really love.
So may backlog ka. Pero wala namang meaning yun.
Wala.
Kasi
Nagulat naman ako. Ano yan?
background.
Anyway, kasi siguro feeling ko the pageant fans are very excited and very
Yes.
enthusiastic
They
lang with all
they
the...
keep their eyes on you.
Yes, lahat. So siguro lahat ng mga
Excited.
pangyayari may story na.
Binibigyan ng meaning.
Oo.
Pero wala
naman
lang
po.
yun.
Wala
Wala lang
naman po.
talaga.
Sobrang I really love that picture lang talaga. And I posted a lot of photos. Oh my God, I posted a swimsuit photo, a gown photo.
Kasi nagkasabay kayo ng designer, pinost din niya sa Instagram the same
okay.
day. na
Oh my
pinost
God,
mo
I'm
yung
sorry.
ano.
Hindi ko alam if it's a coincidence or what. Hindi ko alam.
MJ, so paano to? Retired ka na ba sa pageant? Kasi
Ang tanda ko na, Diyos ko!
Hindi, sabi mo kasi diba, last tour mo na yung Miss Universe.
Oo,
Meron pa bang mataas sa
pag
Universe?
tatanggapin pa ako ng Universe, pwede,
Ano
diba?
sa universe, no?
Pero I think I've given I took the shot and I given my best and may naiwan naman akong good memories and positive notes to the people. And alam mo yun, so kung ano man yung nangyari, I embraced it. I embraced the whole journey. I have no regrets kasi nga third time ko na to and I went this far. So talagang sino ba ako to complain, 'di ba? Na I'm just really grateful and thankful na I was given this chance to be there and to represent my country.
Okay. Even though... Okay. Even though...
Last.
Okay.
Maraming last yun.
MJ, anong
Kasi
take mo
she's
na...
been talking non-stop since the
MJ, anong take mo na, or take or message mo dun sa mga tao na who says negative kay Miss Stella Araneta?
She's like a mother to me. Nung nandun po ako sa Miami, she would even wait like 4 hours for just to see me and tell me na how am I doing, na you're doing great, continue it, yung be positive, ganon. Tapos binigyan pa niya ako ng rosary na bless ni Pope. That's really, that's very special. And yung the chance lang na she's giving for every Filipina to represent the country on that Miss Universe stage is something that we should all be thankful, 'di ba? Kasi pag nandun ka, you showcase your country eh. Hindi naman kung
Not
yung
just
kung
yourself.
ano siya eh, and not only myself, not only what I have. So talagang sabi ko sa kanya, Mrs. Arnetta, I don't know how to thank you for this opportunity that you gave me. So, naiyak-iyak nga siya, sabi niya sa akin ganun. So she's a nice person if we can only take a second and just see the things na she's doing for our country, not only for the things that we don't like.
MJ, sorry, I have to ask this about the Miss Encounter in Maguindanao. Being a Mindanaoan yourself, anong masasabi mo that 40 police?
I know, I just heard about that this morning and I'm really saddened. Sobrang my heart was really broken for the families who lost the family member. I know how hard it is. And I just wanted to pray for them and sana yung buong bansa natin, ipagpanalangin natin yung mga families because it's really hard. Lalo na yung padre de pamilya, yung mawawala sa pamilya, talagang mapipilayan yung bawat pamilya. And I know that there's a lot of charity and the government is willing to help them. And sana tigilan na natin to kasi hindi nakakatulong eh yung patayan. Sobrang hindi nakakatulong lalo na sa mga bata, nakaka-witness nito. So tama na yung
follow up to that, how could Mindanao finally attain peace for you, being someone from there?
Well, peace always starts within you. If these people who's always taking lives are willing to start peace within themselves, if they're only willing to accept it, then I think we can have peace. Kasi we can only fight for peace, pero if those people are not willing to accept it and practice peace, then this will never end. It's not gonna be a peaceful place.
Closing na this, MJ, you have inspired a lot of women, and you're going to be crowning your successor in 2 months'
I
time.
know!
What will you be imparting from the experience that you had in Miss Universe?
Sobrang life-changing etong isang taon na to. Hindi ko akalain na ang daming nangyari, and sabi nga nila, pag nag-e-enjoy ka, ang bilis ng panahon. Hindi ko akalain na more than a year na patapos na yung journey ko. But then I wanted to share to everyone na hindi forever na magiging binibining Pilipinas ka. So every moment of it, savor it. Talagang live the day and be at your best. Kasi once in a lifetime na ikaw yung representative ng bansa mo. So talagang i-showcase mo what's the best of a Filipina. Na ipakita mo sa kanila na kung ano talaga tayo. So, and if it's in your heart, if it's your passion, then embrace it.
MJ, what's next after this? Anong i-expect namin from you? Sabi mo hindi ka na magpa-pageant. So, showbiz or anything? Ano ba?
If showbiz is open for me, then why not?
You're willing?
Kasi I just wanted to work for my family, especially now na nawala na yung uncle ko. I really wanted to help my family. So, everything that I'm gonna do, I will really work hard for them.
Hindi ka pa naman mag-aasawa.
No! So, magbo-boyfriend hunting muna ako. Mag-aano muna ako, pageant for Mr. Universe.
Thank you, MJ.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Love you guys. Sure, thank you.